Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to add education boards in Planet Zoo. Education boards help increase your zoo's overall education rating, which contributes to your zoo's reputation and improves your guests' learning experience. Before we begin, keep in mind that habitat education boards and exhibit education boards are different. They serve the same purpose, but each only works with its intended exhibit type. Habitat education boards are for animal habitats, where larger animals like mammals are kept, while exhibit education boards are for the smaller glass exhibits that house reptiles, insects, and other small animals. Make sure to use the correct one. For this example, we'll use an aardvark habitat. Click the Facilities button at the bottom center of your screen, then select the Education category, represented by the speaker and screen icon. Here you'll find different sizes of education boards and their stands. Choose a habitat education board and place it near the habitat, preferably in an area with plenty of guest traffic. Next, place an educational speaker nearby so guests can also hear information about the animal. Now it's time to set their content. Click on the education board and under educational content, change it from None to Aardvark. Do the same for the educational speaker so both display and play information about the correct animal. Finally, make sure your education boards and speakers are within the range of a power transformer, otherwise they won't function. Repeat this process for your other habitats and exhibits to steadily improve your zoo's education rating and overall reputation. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.